Rubik's Cube, the world's most popular handheld puzzle. Billions of combinations, only one solution. How fast can I do it? Let's find out. It's not as easy as it looks, but that's fine. I'm gonna rock it out right now.
Okay, I think you should just let me just...
There's like a pattern. It's like three turns and then like one up here. I almost got yellow. I almost got all yellow. I get every one of them except for the red one. The red one always f***s me. F*** you. 7 and up? 7? Yeah? Up your How's that? You show me a 7-year-old that can do this, and I'll punch him in the face. This! Show me a 7-year-old that can do this! I dare you!
I think you need to calm down.
I think you need to get the off of me!
Rubik's Cube, America's favorite handheld toy. Billions of combinations, but only one possible solution. Ages 7 and up.